සියලු දිනාටම සුබ සන්ධ්‍යාවක්. आप सभी को सुभाषिनी सिल्वा का प्यार भरा नमस्कार.
අපි ආරාධනා කරමුද අපේ නිගමට?
जी मैं आपको अनुरोध करते हैं श्री हेमंत निगम साहब, आप आइए मंच पर.
We welcome you to the Sri Lanka Broadcasting Corporation, sir. Come on stage.
आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत
Hi everyone. Thank you very much.
श्रीलंका ब्रॉडकास्टिंग कॉर्पोरेशन को. और මං හිතන්නේ සල්පිටි මේ වෙලාවේ අපි මෙතුමත් එක්ක පොඩි කතා බහක් මම මෙතුමත් එක්ක හින්දියෙන් කතා කරන්නම් ඔබතුමාලට ඒකේ සිංහල පරිවර්තනයක් කරන්නම්. जी आप श्रीलंका आ गए हैं और ख़ास तौर से रेडियो सिलोन आ गए हैं और आप कलाकार हैं, तो कलाकार कैसे बन गए आप?
Can I talk in English? The journey to become an artist. Every person, when he takes the birth, he's an artist. A child, when he comes out of the mother, he cries. That is also music. That is a devotion connected to the God. And I have learned classical for 17 years. I started singing at the age of 5 years when I was old, 5 years. So singing is the language which connects each and every in every part of the world. Made Sinhala, made German, made French. So there is no language for music. There is only one language for music. That is the direct connection to the Lord. That I believe in.
ඇත්තටම මම ඇහුවේ යාගෙන් එයා කලාකාරයෙකුනේ කොහොමද කියලා. जी ऐसा है, मैं अगला सवाल मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ और आप हिंदी में जवाब दे दीजिए. आप अभी हिंदी गाना गाने वाले हैं, लेकिन आप इस समय सिंहली गाना भी गाना चाहते हैं, गाने के लिए चाहेंगे?
मैं
तो,
ज़रूर चाहूँगा.
हाँ, तो आप श्रीलंका आया है, आपने बोला आप हिंदी सिंहली में गाना गाया है, आपको कैसा लगा ये सिंहली गाना? एक මම ඇහැව්වේ යාගෙන් එයා ඇත්තටම හින්දි භාෂාවෙන් ගීත ගායනා කරන කෙනෙක්. මීට පෙර පහුගිය දවසක තිබ්බ ප්‍රසංගයකදීත් එයා සිංහල ගීත ගායනා කරා. ඉතින් මම ඇහැව්වේ ඒ හින්දි ගීත ගායනා කරන ඔබතුමා කොහොමද මේ සිංහල ගීත සිංහලෙන් ගායනා කරන්නේ කියලා. जी आप जवाब दीजिए.
Sinhala language is a very unique language. It is very close to Sanskrita in India, what we say, because the culture which is connected to हिंदी में बोलता हूँ क्योंकि जो कल्चर है वो कल्चर एक ही है. We are two brothers from different mothers, but the culture is same. So like Sinhala song is close to me, so I learned Sinhala song, I perform Sinhala song, and that's why I'm here in front of such important people from the music fraternity today, and thanks to you and entire Radio Ceylon team.
Yeah, Mr. Nigam, would you be kind enough to sing a song for us at this moment?
Why not? It's a big day for this great legend, and I'm really happy.
Yeah, if it is not too much trouble, okay?
Trouble, in India we say trouble, whom you give trouble, to whom you love much, you know. So I received the love and I'm here to spread the love. So I'll sing for you.
If you could sing a song that blends with Sinhala and Hindi.
I do, definitely. I will definitely do it.
Okay.
And hope you like. If the pronunciations here and there, please forgive me. Give me your number. I'll come and take a private tuition for the language.
Okay, අපි හොඳ අපලසම් ප්‍රසාදයක් දෙමු අපේ Mr. Nigam. Thank you so much.
Sound, can you give me little reverb? Hello? And little lows, please. Hello. Thanks, brother, you're recording me. So this song is a very important song for Indian culture and Indian people also. And gentlemen, brought this song to this land, the beautiful country, Sri Lanka. So I'll sing first line in Hindi, then I'll start singing. Okay? सावन का महीना पवन करे शोर, जीवन ये मल पिपुना मैं सातर दिगंते, रान मोन रिय रंग देवी प्रेम मधुर बसंत, जीवन ये मल पिपुना मैं सातर दिगंत, रान मोल रिय रंग देवी प्रेम मधुर वसंत। शोकी वेला पेल आसे तन पावे, सागर ररलिल बेरली बेर लट आवे, शोकी वेला पेल आसे तन पावे, सागर ररलिल बेरली बेर लट आवे, ओ मर्जी है तुम्हारी चले ना कोई जोर, रान मोन रिय रंग देवी प्रेम मधुर वसंत, सावन का महीना पवन करे शोर, चेहरा रे झूमे ऐसे जैसे बनवा नाचे मोर। I'll sing Hindi now. मौजूबा करे क्या जाने हमको इशारा, जाना कहाँ है पूछे नदिया की धारा, मौजूबा करे क्या जाने हमको इशारा, जाना कहाँ है पूछे नदिया की धारा, ओ मर्जी है तुम्हारी चले ना कोई जोर, चेहरा रे झूमे रे ऐसे जैसे मनवा नाचे मोर, जीवन ये मन पिपना मैं सातर दिगंते, रान मोन रिय रंग देवी प्रेम मधुर बसंत, रान मोन रिय रंग देवी प्रेम मधुर बसंत, रान मोन रिय रंग देवी प्रेम मधुर बसंत। Thank you very much for inviting me with a short notice, and really I am carrying entire bags of love from Sri Lanka, and definitely on the celebration of 100 years of Radio Ceylon on the 16th December, I am coming to meet you again.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I will be singing for you again, and thanks for that love. It's a lovely band. I have really witnessed a great musicians, and respect to you all. Hope to see you
Mr.
soon.
Nigam, how much longer will you be in Sri Lanka?
I am leaving tomorrow.
Oh,
Okay. And I sang a couple of songs like Jeevite Sharat Kale, and then that very popular number also, Adar Madhuratite. I have sang that song. So next time when I come, I'll sing that for you.
okay, see you
And
again.
I'll learn more Singla song and come prepared, well prepared. Even I can talk that time. Okay?
Thank you
Bye,
very
Mohan.
much.
Thank you very much.
I really appreciate your kindness and admire your singing, sir. Thank you, Mr. Nigam. දැන් ඇත්තට මේක වෙන්න කල එකක් වුණා අපේ වැඩසටහනට. ස්තුතියි සුභා අපේ හින්දි නිවේදිකා